I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna eat this pumpkin.
I'm just thinking
it's gonna be
about
disgusting. So what am I doing today? Oh, a pumpkin. This isn't a pumpkin carving kit. This is a pumpkin carving kit. My name is Kwil. I'm a full stack developer at Splitpixel. Most people call me Ash or Kwil. Right now I'm carving a pumpkin real good. My hands are sticky. Like that. I need that screwdriver. Thanks. That's how thick it is. That's a thick one. That's a thick one. Do not try this at home. This scalpel was not made for this. But it is Sheffield steel, keeping it local. I've worked here for about 6.5 years now. I started my placement year at university and I carried on working here through my last year at university, and I've stayed since then really. Someone's going to lose some digit during this, I'm telling you. And it's probably me, because you're sat over there.
You're not allowed to bring attention to the fact I'm here.
Well, you're filming. Don't you think I'm just sat in a room on my own filming myself? If I cut my finger, I can't work. Just gotta get that spoon in there. Come on, pop. I've lost my spoon. There we go. Oh, it smells. Oh, this is a good spoon. I'm taking this spoon home.
You're not, it's my mum's.
Well, she better buy herself a new spoon, it's mine now. I started doing websites and building my online games and stuff when I was like early teens, 11, 12. When I started Splitpixel, I was studying product design and I came here as a designer. I only started developing again when we sort of had so much work on, I could alleviate some of that and do some development, but then over the years I've grown into a developer role and I don't do much design work anymore. Development fits with me better because it's methodical and logical. Okay, I'm gonna pour some guts out now. Come on, man. No one's ever hollowed out a pumpkin this good, I'm telling you. The flesh is gone. Flesh. Oh, that's scorched. That's scorched. I think I'm probably the most tech-savvy person in the office. I fix people's PCs and help them sort of with the IT stuff. I think that sort of extends on to what I do with websites as well. So I do a lot of the technical aspects, Google Map integrations, APIs, converting data from one place to another. There's a lot of things behind the scenes that go on that clients aren't aware of. I think that getting that technical aspect right is what makes the project go seamlessly, really. Pow. Nailed it. Sorry. Need to pick the best side. Probably that. Boom. That's the one. That's the money shot. One of the technologies that I like to use and that I like to see when we're designing and building sites is the use of SVGs, and that's just because rather than using large JPEG images that take up a lot of space, an SVG can be used in a sort of tiny image or a really large image, and the impact on the site's speed is relatively minimal. For me, anywhere I can use an SVG, I'm happy, and the design and development team here work very closely, literally 5 meters apart. So if I ever need an image in SVG format, I'll just nip over to Rob or to him. It makes it easier when we're optimizing the site and the client gets a faster site, which is great for everyone. Now I can start cutting. Often the technical side and the sort of content of the site is overlooked. Most clients are interested in how it looks and improving the design, but on the flip side, you've really got to consider the actual content in the website, the copy, how it functions from a tech perspective. I think how we stand out is that although a client might only be focusing on the design, we're here in the background and working with our departments to make sure that the copy's right, the marketing's right, and it all sort of ties together to give you the best chance of generating those leads that you're looking for. Yes, that's correct. But I'm making sure I'm not cutting away a piece that I'm supposed to be keeping. Am I supposed to be keeping that? I am supposed to be keeping that. Pop you back in, sir. I think Splitpixel are a small team of specialists sort of in their own field. So we have design, development and marketing all working together, and because we're all on the same page in our overall approach, we work well and in harmony. Whereas I think if you were to get multiple businesses working on each of those aspects, you might find some sort of clashes and it wouldn't work as well. Just pumpkin architecture at its finest. I work with my best mates, so I see them all day, every day, play games with them on the evening. I see them at weekends, so I can't escape them really. Everyone gets on like a house on fire, and it really shows in the dedication to sort of help each other and come together to provide quality projects. Currently I've got a small woodworking business, which is really fun. I also do a lot of gaming, if a watch enthusiast. And of course I love carving pumpkins, it's smashing. Like. Okay, sorry about that. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and ring a ding that bell for more Splitpixel content. I'm going to eat this pumpkin, I'm so hungry.